How do I set up a private family foundation? Are you curious about how to establish a private family foundation? This process can be a rewarding way to support causes that matter to you while also addressing estate planning needs. Let's break down the steps you need to take to get started. First, think about your foundation's purpose. What charitable goals do you want to achieve? This mission statement will guide your foundation's activities and grant-making decisions. Consider whether you want your foundation to operate for a set time or indefinitely to create a lasting family legacy. Next, you will need to create legal documents. These include articles of incorporation or a trust agreement, depending on how you choose to structure your foundation. You will also need bylaws that outline governance procedures, board composition, and meeting protocols. Grant-making guidelines should specify how funds will be awarded in line with your mission. After that, establish a board of directors or trustees. A private family foundation typically requires at least 3 board members. Family members often serve on the board to ensure alignment with family values and goals. The board will oversee operations and ensure compliance with legal and tax requirements. It is also wise to engage legal and financial advisors. Look for attorneys and certified public accountants who specialize in nonprofit and tax law. They can assist with filing incorporation documents, applying for an employer identification number, and preparing the IRS Form 1023 application for tax-exempt status. Once your foundation is set up, you will need to fund it. You can contribute various assets, including cash, publicly traded securities, private stock, or real estate. These contributions are considered irrevocable gifts and may provide tax benefits. Next, apply for tax-exempt status with the Internal Revenue Service. This recognition as a tax-exempt organization allows your foundation to receive tax-deductible donations and exempts it from federal income tax. Be sure to check for any state-level filings required to maintain this status. Ongoing compliance is essential. Private foundations must distribute at least 5% of their investment assets annually for charitable purposes. They also need to restrict grants to qualified public charities and file annual IRS Form 990 PF. Consider family governance and succession planning. It is important to outline how family members will participate in decisions and how you will educate younger generations about the foundation's mission. This helps sustain the foundation's purpose over time. You should also evaluate management options. Decide whether family members will handle daily operations or if you will hire professional staff. Consider the time and expertise needed to maintain compliance and effective grant-making. Finally, think about how long you want the foundation to operate. Will it last indefinitely, or will it have a defined duration? This decision can impact how you allocate assets in your estate planning documents. Setting up a private family foundation can be a meaningful way to support charitable causes while managing your estate planning goals. With careful planning and the right support, you can create a lasting impact for your family and the community.